Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about one of the best hosting platform called Cloudways. So here's the breakdown. The Cloudway is a cloud hosting platform that lets you run website and apps on top of major cloud providers like AWS, Google Cloud, DigitalOcean, and more, all through one easy to use dashboard. It combines the performance and the scalability of big cloud infrastructure with managed features such as automatic backup, staging environment, team collaboration tools, and 24/7 support for business and developer who want cloud power without the headache of infrastructure management. Cloudway also streamline deployment, scaling, and optimization in one place. That said, also Cloudway doesn't include domain registration or email hosting, and its pricing can feel higher once you layer on add-on compared with some all-in-one shared host. Beginners might also need a short learning curve to get familiar with the cloud resources, server sizing, and other important things. So in my opinion, I actually think Cloudway is a strong choice for users who want flexible, scalable cloud hosting with managed convenience. But usual blogger or very small sites might find simpler, cheaper option more fitting compared to this app. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you do, turn on the notification button and make sure you subscribe for more review.